Hello everyone, welcome back to the Doers Sport Academy's YouTube channel. So today we are here with another class. So let's start today's class. So at first we will read the passage carefully. So the passage is: fire is to blame for the loss of countless lives and billions of rupees each and every year. So in this passage we will learn about fire and the causes, what causes can happen for fire. So, fire is blamed for loss of countless lives and billions of rupees each and every year. So, in our daily life, we hear that um, somewhere or in our locality, sometimes there is fire breakout. So, there are few reasons that for that a fire can break out. So the reasons are smoking, heating, electrical short circuit, and many other reasons, natural, unnatural. It can produce fire. So fire is blamed for the loss of countless lives and billions of rupees each and every year. Firefighters help protect people and their property from their from injury and damage, and to protect to protect the people from fire, firefighters help us to protect the property from injury and damage of that people. So um, so the firefighter helps us to protect from the fire. They put their lives on the line every time they respond to a call. So when in if there is fire outbreak in somewhere, so the firefighter put their lives on the line every time when they respond to a call if there is a fire outbreak in some place. While on duty, firefighters must be already so so in this line, what is the what do you think about firefighters? Who are firefighters? So, firefighters are a person whose job is to extinguish fire. So, firefighters' work is to extinguish the fire. And here, the meaning of injury. So, what is the meaning of injury? Injury means wound, bruise, or cut. When you get bruised or you get wound or cut, that means you are injured. Next, while on duty, firefighters must be ready to respond in a matter of minutes to just about any disaster that may occur. So, when a firefighter is on duty, he must be ready to respond in a matter of minutes to just about any disaster that may occur or that may happen. So, here, what is the meaning of disaster? So, the meaning of disaster is a sudden accident or a natural catastrophe that causes great damage or loss of life. Next line. At every fire scene, a superior fire officer takes command and directs the jobs of all the people at the scene. So, in this line, what is the meaning of superior fire officer? So, superior means who the officer who is a senior or in a higher rank. So the superior fire officer means he is a senior officer or higher in rank. So at every fire scene there is a superior fire officer who takes command and directs the job of all the people at the scene. So there is a superior fire officer who takes command and directs all other fighters to do their job. Next line. Some firemen connect the hose lines to hydrants. So what is the meaning of hose lines to hydrants? So what is the meaning of hose line? So hose line is, it is used to convey a substance, especially water, for firefighting. So when there is fire outbreak, so the firefighters comes with a fire truck where they store water and the hose lines which connected through that tank, and they put up the fire with that water. So hose line is used to convey a substance, especially water, for firefighting. And what is hydrants? Hydrants is a discharge pipe with a valve, and so hydrant is a discharge pipe with a valve which water may be drawn from a line. Next line. Others manually operate the pumps to send water to the hoses. And while the superior fire officer takes command, and other firefighters help to put up that fire, then other fire extinguishers or firefighters or manually operate the pumps to send water to the hoses. So they work. So they do teamwork to put up the fire. Teams of firefighters also operate ladders used to reach distance high in the air. So what are ladders? Ladder is used to reach heights for short duration. For the short durations. So the teams of firefighters also operate ladders with them to reach the distance high in the air. So the passage is done. Now we will start the questions. So the first question is, which is not true about the firefighters? Options are, they are brave, they often put their lives in danger, they never put their lives in danger, they are highly trained. So the first option is, they are brave. So the firefighters help us to put up the fire, so they are brave. They often put their lives in danger for us. This is true. Next option, they never put their lives in danger. This is not true. This is false. So the correct answer is option number C. They never put their lives in danger. Next question. A firefighter has to prepare to extinguish a fire in, options are minutes, hours, days, weeks. So a firefighter has to prepare to extinguish a fire in, option number A, minutes. He has to extinguish the fire in minutes, because if they will take more time, so there will be more damage to the property or to the people of that area. Next, firefighters put their life on the line means. So what is the meaning of firefighters put their lives on the line? Options are, they stand in a line, they fight fire, they put their lives in danger, they connect to the hose line, to hydrant. So the correct answer is option number C, they put their lives in danger. So the firefighter put their lives on the line means they put their lives in danger. Next question. To operate manually means to. So what is the meaning of operate manually? Options are, make a man work with their hands, use a machine, use one's body. So the meaning of operate manually is option number B, work with their hands. Next question. The word occur means the same as. So what is the meaning of occur? Options are, come, happen, fall, fire. So occur means something which happened or happens. So occur means happen. Option number B is the correct answer. So all the questions are done. Now we will see what other questions can ask from this passage. So the first question is, who is or what is blamed for the loss of countless lives or billions of rupees each and every year? So the correct answer is, fire is to be blamed for the loss of countless lives and billions of rupees each and every year. Who helped? Next question. Who helped us to protect people and their property from injury and damage when a fire broke out? So the answer is, firefighters help protect people and their property from injury and damage. Next question: how firefighters work, or how firefighters put out the fire? So the answer is, they put their lives on the line every time they respond to a call. Next question: while on duty, firefighter must be ready to respond in a matter of just about any disaster that may occur. So how a firefighter must be ready to respond in a matter or any disaster that may occur. So the answer is, while on duty, firefighters must be ready to respond in a matter of minutes to just about any disaster that may occur. Next question: at every fire scene, who takes command and directs the other firefighters or fire extinguisher? So the answer is, at every fire scene, a superior fire officer takes command and directs the jobs of all the people that at the scene. What the things a firefighter or fireman need? So the answer is, some firemen connect the hose lines to hydrants. So to put a fire, the firemen have to connect the hose lines to hydrants. Next question: what other things do firefighters operate to reach distance high in the air? So the answer is, teams of firefighters also operate ladders used to reach distance high in the air. So these are the questions which can be asked in your exam. So read these questions carefully. Now we will learn some synonyms and antonyms of some words. So the first word is blame. So the synonym of blame is responsible, responsible, guilt, criticize, criticize. So responsible, guilt, and criticize are the synonyms of blame. Next is antonym. So what are the antonyms of blame? The antonyms are absolve or forgive. So absolve and forgive are the antonyms of blame. Next word is protect. So what are the synonyms of protect? So the synonyms are keep safe, preserve, safe. Next is antonym. So what are the antonyms of protect? So the antonyms are unsafe, unprotected, unprotected. So unsafe and unprotected are the antonyms of protected. Next word is injury. What are the synonyms of injury? So the synonyms are and cut. So wound and cut are the synonyms of injury. Next is antonym. Unharmed or undamaged. These are the antonyms of injury. Next word is superior. So what are the synonyms of superior? Yes, synonyms are high ranking. Meaning of superior is high ranking, senior, or upper level. These are the synonyms of superior. Now the antonyms. So antonyms of superior are inferior, junior, or lower rank. These are the antonyms of superior. So write down the antonyms and synonyms of these words which can ask in your exam. So read these synonyms and antonyms of words carefully. So this is it for today's class. Hope you like this class. If you like our class, then do like, share, subscribe to the Doers Warrior Academy's YouTube channel. And if you want to join us and want to purchase our online course, then contact us in the given number. And our Doers Warrior Academy app is also available in the Play Store. If you join us, then you will get in this app live classes, free PDFs, free mock test, and recorded classes. If you're interested, then do contact us in the given number, and we will meet you in the next class. Thank you.